Good morning, students. Students, as you know, today we are starting a new topic that is time. This is the last unit of this term. So last unit is time. Students, in previous classes, we also already learned about this topic. So as you all know, the use of AM or PM, how we can use with time AM or PM, then 12-hour clock or 24-hour clock. So I'm starting few points of this topic. First topic is how we are using AM or PM. As we write 10:30 AM or 10:30 PM. So basically, what is the difference between them? Yes, friends. Uh, your time start from 12 midnight. Time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. With this time, we'll write AM. Yes, friends. If 10:30 in morning, then we write 10:30 AM. Next point is the time start at 12 noon and before 12 midnight is write as PM, 10:30 PM. So these points basically we already discussed in fourth standard. So in this lecture we already start from exercise exercise 63, that is conversion. How we can convert days into hours, hours into minutes, and minutes into seconds. So now I'm starting next exercise, that is 63. Exercise 63. Exercise 63 is your first question of this exercise. Convert 8 days into hours. Your first question, convert 8 days into hours. 8 days into hours. Yes, friends, you all know in one day you had 24 hours. Now convert 8 days into hours. For this, we will multiply 8 by 24. Now convert 8 days into hour. We will simply will 24 multiplied by 8. Now in rough side, we will multiply 8 for 32. 24 into 8, 8 for 32. 8 to 16. 19 plus 3, 19. So our answer is 192 hours. In 8 days, we have 192 hours. So your answer is 192 hours. Clear, students? The first question is convert 8 days into hours. In one day we have 24 hours. So when we convert 8 days into hours, we will multiply 8 to 20 by 24. Now 24 into 8 is 192. So in 8 days we have 192 hours. Next is part B. 17 days into hours. 17 days into hours. Once again, in one day we have 24 hours, so 24 into 70. Now students multiply and find result. 24 into 17. Now 1, 4, 2. 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 408. So in 17 days, we have 408 hours. Answer is 408 hours. Clear, students? Next is part C, 6 days and 19 hours into hours. Convert 6 days and 19 hours into hours. This is part C, 6 days, 19 hours into hours. Yes, friends. In this question, first we will convert 6 days into hours. In first steps, we will convert 6 days into hours. Then add 19 as it is because these are all already hours. So convert 6 days into hour. For this, 24 multiplied by 6 plus 90. Clear, students? Now on the left side, 24 multiplied by 6 is 144 plus 19 is 163 hours. So in 6 days, 19 hours, we have 163 hours. 163 hours. Clear, students? So this is first question, part A, B and C of exercise 63. Part B, then C. Clear, students? Now, part D, 14 days and 6 hours into hours. Convert, part D is 14 days and 6 hours into hours. So same method, students. First we will convert 14 days into hours. 24 into 14, then add 6 hours. 6 hours as it is. Now in the left side, multiply 24 into 14. First we will multiply by 4. 336 plus 6, 342 hours. Now in 14 days and 6 hours, we have 342 hours. Now students, last part of this question, part E, that is 11 days and 11 hours into hours. Convert in 11 days, convert 11 days and 11 hours into hours. Convert 11 days and 11 hours into hours. 24 into 11 plus 11. First we will convert 11 days into hours, then add 11 hours as it is. Now 24 multiplied by 11, 264, then plus 1 plus 11, 275 hours. So in 11 days and 11 hours we have 275 hours. Okay students, now your first question is completed now. Now second question, now convert 10 hours into minutes. Students, in one day we have 24 hours. Now we are converting hours into minutes. So in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So when we will convert hour into minutes, we will multiply by 60. Your next question is, now convert 10 hours into minutes. In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. To convert 10 hours into minutes, we will multiply 10 by 60. Convert part A, 10 hours into minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now convert 10 hours into minutes. 10 multiplied by 60, we have 600. So in 10 hours we have 60 minutes. 600 minutes. Clear students? Convert 10 hours into minutes. In 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So to convert 10 hours into minutes, we will multiply 10 by 60. The result is 600. So in 10 hours we have 60 minutes, 600 minutes. Clear students? Next is part B. Now part B is 6 minutes 54 8 hours 56 minutes into minutes. Part B is 8 hours 56 minutes into minutes. Convert 8 hours 56 minutes into minutes. So first we will convert 8 hours into minutes. Convert 8 hours into minutes, then add 56 as it is. 60 multiply by 8. Convert 8 hours into minutes. 60 into 8 plus 56. Now 60 into 8 is 480 plus 56. 480 plus 56, 536 minutes. So in 8 hours 56 minutes we have 536 minutes. Clear, students? Next is part C. Part C is 16 hours 43 minutes into minutes. 16 hours 43 minutes into minutes. 16 hours. Now first we'll convert 16 hours into minutes. 16 hours into minutes. So 24 multiply by 16 plus 43. Clear, students? Now 24 into 16 is 384. 384 plus 43. 4 plus 3 7, 8 plus 4 12, 400 sorry 60 multiply by 60. 24 into 60, then add 43, then get result. Clear, students? Yes, next is part D. Sorry, students. Part C. See once again. Part C is 16 hours and 43 minutes. Our statement is wrong. 16 hours and 43 minutes. Convert 16 hours and 43 minutes into minutes. 16 multiplied by 60 plus 43. This is part C. Yes, friends, see part C once again. 60 into 16. 960 plus 43, that is 1003 minutes. 103 minutes. This is part C of second question of exercise 63. Next is part D. Now part D is convert 3 days, 12 hours, 24 minutes into minutes. 3 days, 12 hours, 3 days, 12 hours, 25 minutes into minutes. Yes, friends. In first step, we will convert 3 days into hours. Now, first convert 3 days into hours. For this, 24 into 3, that is 72 hours. Now we have 72 plus 12 hours. 72 plus 12 hours, then 25 minutes. Now 72 into 12, 84 hours, 25 minutes. Now students, convert 84 hours, 25 minutes into minutes. Now 84 into 60 plus 25. Now 84 into 60, 5040 plus 25, that is 5065 minutes. Clear, students? In part D, we have 3 days, 12 hours, 25 minutes. Now convert 3 days, 12 hours, 25 minutes into minutes. So in first step, we will convert 3 days into hours. Convert 3 days into hours. In one day, we have 24 hours. In 3 days, 24 into 3, that is 72 hours. Then add 12 hours as it is. 72 plus 12 is 84. 72 plus 12 is 84. Now convert 84 hours, 25 minutes into minutes. Now convert 84 hours into minutes. 84 into 60. Hours, convert hours into minutes. 84 into 60 plus 25. 84 into 60 will get 5040. Then add 25 minutes as it is. We get 5065 minutes. So students, in 3 days, 12 hours and 25 minutes, we have 5065 minutes. Next is part E. Convert 2 days into minutes. Convert 2 days into minutes. To convert days into minutes, first we will convert days into hours. So in one day we have 24 hours. In 2 days, 24 into 2. In 2 days, we have 48 hours. Now convert 48 hours into minutes. 48 into 60. 2880 minutes. Yes, friends, in 2 days, we have 2880 minutes. Yes, friends. Now starting next question, that is question third. Now we will convert minutes into seconds. Third question is convert 9 minutes into seconds. Yes, friends. In one day, we have 24 hours. In 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. And in 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute into 60 seconds. So, in 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Now, in 9 minutes, 60 multiplied by 9. 60 multiplied by 9. 540 seconds. In 9 minutes, we have 540 seconds. The answer is 540. Part A. Next is part B. 6 minutes 54 seconds into seconds. Convert 6 minutes 54 seconds into seconds. 6 minutes 54 seconds into seconds. So students, first convert 6 minutes into seconds, then add 54. 60 multiplied by 6 plus 54. Now 60 multiplied by 6 is 360 plus 54 is equal to, now add 360 plus 54 is 414 seconds. Clear, students? Next is part C. Yes, friends. In third question, we have A, B, C, D, and E part. I have completed part. We already discussed part A and B. So now you will complete part C, D, and E after this lecture. Clear, students? Now I'm starting next question, that is question 4th. Convert years into months. Question 4th is convert 4 years into months. Convert 4 years into months. In 1 year, 12 months. Now convert 4 years into months. To convert 4 years into months, we will multiply 4 by 12. 12 into 4, 48 months. Yes, students? Convert 4 years into months. So in 1 year we have 12 months. 12 into 4 is 48 months. In 4 years we have 48 sorry, months. Next is part B. Now part B is 5 years, 10 months into months. Convert 5 years, 10 months into months. 5 years. Yes, friends. In this question, first convert 5 years into months. 12 multiply by 5. Convert 5 years into months. Then add 10. 12 into 5 is 60. Plus 10, that is 70. So our answer is 70 months. Now friends, last part of this question, part C. Part C is 14 years. Convert 14 years, 8 months into months. 14 years, 8 months into months. 14 into 12 plus 8. First convert 14 years into months. For this 14 into 12, then add 8 months. 14 into 12 is 168. 168 plus 8, 176 months. So this is the last part of 4th question. So in brief, what we discuss today? Today we discuss first. Now I'm starting. I'm repeating the same points once again. In first question, we convert days into hours. Days into hours. Yes, friends. When we convert days into hours, in one day we have 24 hours. When we convert days into hours, we will multiply by 24. The main points we will discuss today. First, convert days into hours. Yes, students. When we convert days into hours, we will multiply by 24. Next, hours, convert hours into minutes. Hours into minutes. In 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. Yes, friends, when we convert hours into minutes, we will multiply by 60. Third point we'll discuss, convert minutes into seconds. Convert minutes into seconds. In 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. So when we convert minutes into seconds, we will multiply by 60. Now, last point is year, convert year into months. Years into months. In 1 year, we have 12 months. So when we will convert year into months, we will multiply by 12. Clear, students? So today your homework is complete question 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th of exercise